Hey everyone, my name is Suraj, and today we are gonna creating a website within 5 minutes. So for this I'm using the Cloud AI. So right now it's free version, but you can do a lot of inside free version. Let's take a business name. So business name will be business nearby. Okay, suppose we are gonna creating the website for this one. What we need to take, we just need to take this name, business name, and these are the services. This is the location. And this is the contact. So right now we are just taking only these information, and the prompt we have to provide assuming you as website developer, provide me a professional site. Navigation, generate logo. That's it. So what it will do, it will generate our whole website. And meanwhile, till it's generating the code, so I'm just opening the ngrok. So we will gonna host this on Netlify. I already have my account, and I will log in through the GitHub. Okay. So it has created. I have created some of the websites. You can check. Now I'm creating a new project. Add new project. So here we have to upload the files and folders. Right now I'm check it's generated or not. Okay, so we have to wait a little bit. Till now you can just have a cup of coffee. Okay, so this has generated the full website. It also have added the form. Let's host this website to our Netlify account. So we just need to download as HTML, and okay, so we have named it as the business name inside the folder, and let's save it here. Now what we have to do, we have to just upload the folder here. So let's suppose it is okay. So it is hosted. I'll paste this link on the description so you will check how this will look like. So this is pretty good. It is about section also created services. Oh, nice. Swiggy and Zomato contact, and this is footer. So it will take only 5 to 6 minutes and your website is ready. Now you just have to take a domain, purchase domain, and purchase a hosting and host your website to the hosting. That's it. Your business is online now. Thank you for watching this video. We will come up with some new AI stuff.